With drilling out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and turn this back to shaded with edges just so I can see it. And to wrap up the first operation on this part, we're going to go ahead and chamfer this. Now there are no chamfers around any of the part currently. However, on the print, we'll usually have a call out that states that it wants all sharp edges broken. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a contour toolpath to chamfer and show you just how contour can be a chamfer toolpath as well. I'm going to select the contour toolpath, go to my tools, select a chamfer mill from my library, and right here you can see I have a 1/2 inch 45 chamfer tool. I'll select that chamfer tool. Now I don't have to go to the tabs to be able to select. I can select the geometry, and because it knows what it's doing, it's going to automatically go into that selection. Now I can come in and select multiple contours. I'm going to change the height of the bottom height to selected contours, zero out the offset from the bottom. Now what you'll notice inside of my passes tab, because I have a chamfer tool selected, I have a new option within the passes tab, and that's the chamfer option. With that chamfer option selected, I have the option to tell it how much I want to chamfer this part. So I'm going to go ahead and chamfer this. We'll go ahead and do 1/2 millimeter, and then we're going to give it a tip offset of another 1/2 millimeter. Let's go a full millimeter since this is a very large tool. And what that's going to do is slide the tip of the tool past the needed chamfer, extending it past the diameter of the chamfer itself, so that the tool is moving up onto its flutes a little more and we get a better, cleaner cut. Everything else is going to stay pretty much the same. I'm going to go ahead and select OK. And now we have chamfered that part successfully.